Hello everyone, it's another yummy episode. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Geraldine, and in today's video I'll be showing you, like you can see on the screen right now, a perfect breakfast scrambled egg or egg sauce. Okay, this is actually also a great way to get anyone who doesn't like eggs eating eggs and actually enjoying them. Okay, so let me show you this simple recipe. I'm starting by preheating this pan and adding about 2-3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, the normal one for frying, and I'll allow that heat up a little bit before I toss in the sliced onions and the chili. Okay, so if you want this more spicy, you can use habanero. If you're serving kids, for instance, you may not need it that warm. Okay, so next, after the onions are sauteed for about a minute, I chew in the diced fresh fame tomatoes. Okay, this tomato, the quantity is about 2.5 cups, the diced one I mean. So I want to saute that until it becomes a little soft, not too soggy. Then I tossed in the green bell pepper just to add that hint of green, and then I went in with a little bit of paprika powder and some of these mixed spices. If you don't have this, you can use your seasoning cube, your chicken or beef seasoning cube. Okay, I added some salt to taste, so you add to your taste depending on the quantity you're cooking, and I stirred that together. You want to go in and have a quick taste and adjust everything to your own taste. Okay, yeah, so at this point we're going to just toss in the egg. There is no need whisking the egg since we're still going to scramble them up in this pan. Right? Yeah, I thought so. And then one great tip here is that if you don't want the eggs to come out like in lumps, like in chunks, then you go ahead immediately and begin to stir it into the tomatoes. But if you prefer your eggs to come out chunky and visible, then you might want to allow it to cake a little bit before you begin to stir it. Okay, I'm actually doing this for someone who doesn't really like egg, so this is a perfect way for me to make it for them not to notice that there is egg in this. Okay, it's nothing with allergy, don't worry. It's just like it's just like something about egg they don't like. And of course I went in again with a little bit of that mixed spices and salt, just adjusted everything to my own taste. So at this point it's ready. I used 4 eggs, and this can comfortably be divided into 4 different parts for 4 people. Okay, you can serve this on your bread. Allow it to sit a little bit on a low heat for another 1 minute. Stir it together, and then remember this second oil. I'll be using about 2 tablespoons of this cold pressed olive oil. Okay, this I'm adding this one this late because it doesn't tolerate high heat. Okay, and we need all that goodness in our tummy. Yes guys, so I'll just add a little bit more of this, stir it together, and it's ready. You can serve this egg sauce or scrambled eggs on your bread. You can serve it as a side dish beside your fried yam, potatoes, and or even rice. Okay, so that is the simple recipe. I hope you like it. Please give this video a thumb up, share with friends, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Have a beautiful day.